boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me today, no matter where you are in this beautiful world of ours. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. I have a special show for you today. As you know, on The Scoop, we're about your entertainment and your education. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I write books. I'm an author. My books can be found on Amazon.com. You can get the audio book, the paperback book, or the ebook. Books like Make Money Online with Cannabis Stocks, where I list over 40 stocks. I also have a strategy in there that you can use in any market for the rest of your life. Books like Investing in Medical and Recreational Cannabis, buy in before, during, or after legalization. My friends, these books give you the unfair advantage in this business because you know really what's going on. Promising medical marijuana and CBD treatments. As you know, the FDA has approved a drug that's out there right now. These three books, my friends, on Amazon.com, where you can get the audiobook, the paperback book, or the ebook, they form the nucleus of your cannabis education. They're the Cannabis Education Series. Also, the largest indoor and outdoor marijuana farms in the world. My friends, you'll know what's going on in Italy. You'll know what's about that research that's going on right now in Israel. All kinds of things going on, my friends. The African Marijuana Gold Mine, Rich Mineral Soil Meets Wall Street is also out there. These two form the Marijuana Farm Series. Marijuana Farm Series, my friends, on Amazon.com. Also, we'll be talking a little bit about marijuana today, vanadium and uranium tomorrow. If you haven't had your copy, there are mature companies in here, but we're going to talk about some of the immature companies here in a second here. But my friends, consult your financial advisor if you hear anything or if you want anything to do with any of these companies here. My friends, as you know, we pride ourselves in getting in this stuff real super early, like we did the internets, like we did with the marijuana stocks. That's what we do. And one way to beat Wall Street is to get in when Wall Street is not paying attention to what's going on. So when we were able to get in like the marijuana stocks real early, we got into Canopy early, under $3, Aurora under 50 cents, 38 cents, Afria under $1. That's when you really beat Wall Street, when you get in really early. We have an opportunity with these rare earths, along with the uranium and vanadium that we've been, because they're vital elements also included in on the president's 232, which we hope he'll be signing here in the next 30 days or so. But these elements, these that we need vitally. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe, and your likes and comments. And John will be talking about that one stock that you like that's in this rare element area. We'll be talking about that in a second here. But these rare elements, my friends, these are we're dependent on China. Let's face it. We're in a trade war right now with China. United States and China are kind of bickering over trade. Rare elements, we need them. We need them for our missile technology. We need them for our cars. We need them for our cell phones. The military. We need all this stuff. We need our computers. There's our wind turbine. We need these rare elements from China. China if they withhold or just send a little, what have you, that affects the price of other companies that are dealing with the rare element area, which is not really very rare. It's rare earth elements, but they're not really. We have plenty of them here in the United States. But does the United States want to get its hands dirty and do what has to be done to get these things out of the earth? Destroy neighborhoods, dirty up the place. That's why we let the Chinese do it, because they have less. Their standards are not like our environmental standards and stuff, and you have to go through a whole song and a dance just to be able to dig anywhere here in America. You know how that goes. You gotta get permits, and they take forever, and things. There would be issues and stuff. So what's going on right now is these companies that are dealing with these rare earth and there aren't very many out there. In fact, there's only really one mine in America that's even in the 60s. They stopped 70s and stuff. They were really controlling this area and really doing. It's only about an hour or so from where I am right now, and I may drive over there one day and do some things over there. But we'll see. But these elements, my friends, are critical elements to what we do in America. Now, what I don't know if we're gonna, we may get on a thing where we're just recycling everything. We're recycling all our cell phones. We're recycling cars, taking cars apart and not sending them to China. We're gonna start digging up our own and processing our own rare earth elements here, like we think some's going to be done with this petition 232. I don't know, but I do know that the stock area, the investment area, which is very risky. All these companies are development companies. They're exploration companies. They need money. They're years away from production. Don't kid yourself. These are trades, my friends, and these are baby knockouts that are trades. These are not investments. Make no mistake about it, okay? Let's get that clear. I want to make that clear and concise. These are stocks that I would not put anyone into if I were a stockbroker, which I'm not, or if I was an investment manager, which I'm not. But on a speculation side, you can make a fortune. That's all there is to it. That's why I'm bringing them to you early, like we did the other stocks. Let's go over them real quick. One of the stocks I want to tell you about is American Rare Earth and Minerals Corporation. Now, on the over-the-counter, it's AREM is the symbol. It's 4 cents. 52-week high is 6 cents. 1.5 million market cap, my friends. This company, they're not reporting. They're delinquent to the SEC. They're like a shell company. They haven't sent out any press releases to any of their shareholders or anything. Knock, knock, who's home? But the stock is going to go up anyway. No one's home, but the stock is going to go up anyway. That's American Rare Earth and Materials Corporation, AREM. Next company I want to talk to you about is one that John likes, Avalon Advanced Materials, AVLNF. On the over-the-counter, it's 7 cents. 25 days ago, it was 3 cents. You're looking at a 52-week high of about 12 cents, $20 million market cap. It's not all that. Avalon, no, John, I'm not impressed. We'll see. But put it on your watch list, because as these stocks go up, and like I said, there's only a few of them, as these stocks go up, these little baby knockouts are going to go up with the market. Another stock, Canada Rare Earth Corporation, RAREF, 6 cent stock. Yes, all these stocks are above their 50-day, they're above their 200-day, they've broken out. 11.5 million market cap. Its 52-week high is 8 cents. It's currently 6 cents. 8 cents is 52 high. The last press release, the last time they got in touch with everybody, December 2012. So don't be expecting anything from them anytime soon, okay? If you decide to get in there as a shareholder. But once again, where are they? They're in the rare earth elements area, so the stock is probably going to go up. Those three, we're talking Canadian Rare Earth Corp, RAREF. We're talking Avalon, which John like, AVLNF, and we're talking about American Rare Earths and Minerals, AREM. They're all shady. Let's say it. Let's say shady. But my friends, chances are they're a trade and they can go up and you can make a lot of money. You can buy a lot of books and buy a lot of t-shirts for you and your family, and you can go out to dinner, because that's all you're going to spend on this. Remember, we talked about that. If you decide, you and your stockbroker and your money manager decide to do something with these, it's just lunch, dinner money, my friends. That's what it is. It's a trade, my friends. Next stock I want to tell you about is Commerce Resources Corporation. Now, they're a 5 cent stock. They're CMRZF on the over-the-counter, CCE in Canada, and SOJ in Germany. Now, they've been keeping in touch now. They've been releasing drill results, and some look pretty good. I looked at some of their drill results earlier today. They've got a strong, they reported, this is just a couple days ago, strong, wide, mineralized, it was niobium. Niobium is what it was. I think it's pronunciation of that. That's the low percentage of niobium put into steel. Makes it real strong for the bridges and for buildings and stuff. Just a real, and their Mallard prospect looks good in Quebec there. And website looks good. 16.8 million market cap, still real low. We're talking 5 cent stock, my friends. 5 cent stock. All these are baby knockouts. Then we're looking at Ucore rare metals. Now the CEO at Ucore said, "Hey, we got enough rare elements for the whole country. We can take care of the whole country, and the leftovers we can give to Japan, and we can still give some to China." Now he's talking about his Bogan Mountain project, which is in Alaska, and Alaska's mining friendly. So Ucore rare metals, 17 cents. Let me give you the ticker symbol. It's UURAF. UURAF on the over the counter. It's UCU in Canada. In Frankfurt, it's FSE. It's U9U. U9U in Germany. So that stands, it stands a chance. 17 cents. All of these are baby knockout under 25 cents. All of them have broken out. They're over their 50-day, 200-day moving averages. There's a possibility that they will continue depending on how long the trade war goes. This trade war with China. So, like I said, there's 3 other additional ones that I'm going to bring you tomorrow. But these right here, I wanted you to just put them on your watch list, take a look at them, think about them, because they're really, really low right now. And there's a possibility that they could be a nice trade for you. And that they're part of 232, Marijuana Today, Vanadium and Uranium Tomorrow, companies you can get in early and grow rich with. This book right here, this mini book, which lists those companies. There's some gold companies in there also. So you guys that bought it, you surprised there's a gold section in there too. Well, it lists like about 10 gold stocks right now that I thought were undervalued right now. So that was a surprise for you, huh? But those uranium stocks and those vanadium stocks, and there are some stocks that do both uranium and vanadium, and there's a couple stocks that even have mills that process their own. You'll see. Get your copy. Because I'm gonna have to raise the price on this because there are people out there selling this information right here for as much as $12,000. That's why I got it out to you, and that's why I've raised the price somewhat. So you'll see. These companies in here are mature. They're on the New York Stock Exchange. They're on the American Stock Exchange. They're on the different exchanges and stuff. So these are mature companies. You definitely want to have a little bit of this, and you mix that in with some of these stocks from these rare earth stocks, depending on how long this thing goes. These trade wars sometimes it could go a month or 2 or 3 or 4. Who knows? Who knows what kind of price tag these things will bring once if this thing continues going on. Let's face it. Our military needs these rare. We need this. We like cell phones. We need this stuff. A lot of it's Japan. They need it. We need it. They need it. When you're talking about what they produce, China's 44 million, and we do like 1 million or so. There's a big disparity there. But like I said, if we want to get our hands dirty in America, then we can do it. We can do it ourselves, or we can start a whole new industry and recycle goods and stuff, and we can do anything like that. Once again, shout out to CV Sciences. That's great. Kroger's in the house there, supplier. That's going to be a great thing. I thank you all. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. Love you. Likes. Go ahead and share these videos. No one's come out with a list yet of their rare earths, my friends. This is the best you're going to get right now. I do believe, until I give you those 3 tomorrow. These 3 are the best of the best in this industry right now, and they're very low also. We're only talking billion-dollar brands, so those are under 50 cents, and then we're talking the ETF. So that tells you where you are right there. There's really only 3 more besides these that are worthy of even looking at. These 3 tomorrow, I believe, are worthy of investment, and I'll give them to you tomorrow. But with that said, my friends, you have a great day. Like I said, it's hot out here, desert Southwest, 100 degrees or so. It's very, very hot. Take care of yourself. God bless you, and don't get caught up in all the hype of all this. Just pay attention to what's going on with the news. They mention the rare earths again. They do a little bit of this. a little bit of that. We'll see. The stocks have gone up, from 3 cents to 7 cents, from 4 cents to 6 cents. We're still early, 3 cents to 5 cents, 14 cents to 17 cents. But, we're early. So, and that's what we pride ourselves in. That's what we like. We like to get in super early. That's how you beat Wall Street. You get in real early. And that's what we're doing, my friends. We're taking a look at these early on. We hear an announcement. So China does something. Sure, they're going to take a little bump. They're going to go up here and there. But I'd rather have a stock that's been dormant for a minute and then they start, coming back to life. Like Commerce Resource, I think, is coming back to life. I think Ucore Rare Metals is kind of coming back to life. And these three I'm going to give you tomorrow are coming back to life, my friends. Thank you. Take care of yourself. God bless you. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. Love you.